Miami International Airport Information Desk. May I help you?
Yeah. I'd like some flight information, please.
Another day has passed me by, and there's an island in the sun to see me through. Another day in paradise, but there's no reason, there's no rhyme without you. Here comes the night. Here comes the dreaming of
Honey,
breathing your love in.
hey, it's great to see you.
Here comes the night.
Come on, I'll take you home.
Here comes the
Hungry?
feeling
I don't really feel too well.
waiting here
Place.
for so long. I've been waiting here for so long. There's a time, there's a place when we can share the silver night, silent room. In my bed, an empty space, 'cause there's no other in my life, only you.
Call you first thing.
You sure you're gonna be all right?
Yeah, sure. I love to be with you. Just real tired.
Why'd you sleep?
I know you're in big trouble.
Good night.
Hey, thanks.